So then today topic mean speed and root mean square speed and most probable speed from unit 5 thermodynamics and statistical mechanics. So then question number 1, the most probable speed of gas molecule is, the correct option B is correct. Then speed possessed by the maximum number of molecules, that is the highest peak in that Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution curve. Okay, option B is correct. The average mean speed of gas molecule is given by average, that is root 8 RT by M. Here R is the gas constant, then M is the molar mass. So which one is correct option? Then option C is correct. Okay, then we have to put pi. Okay, I have forgot. Option C is correct. Okay, 8 RT by pi M, where R is the gas constant and M is the molar gas. So in the formula வச்சு நிறைய problem கொடுக்கலாம். So R is the constant one. Okay, then temperature கொடுத்துருவாங்க, molar mass கொடுத்துட்டு we have to find out the average speed. Okay, so பின்னால பார்ப்போம் அந்த problem. The root mean square speed of gas molecules is, that is root of then 3 RT by M. R is the gas constant, then M is the molar gas. So which one is correct? Option C is correct. Okay, then root 3 RT by M. So this is most important. Okay, important, remember. Okay, so the correct order of molecular speed is which one is correct? So then first one is most probable speed is small. Okay, then lesser than, next one is the average speed. Okay, then average speed is lesser than root mean square speed. Which one is? So this is for small, this one is for medium, this one for larger. Okay, this is the order you have to remember. Okay, most important. So which one is correct? Here average, wrong. Average, sorry, root mean square, then from starting most probable speed. Here is there. Okay, here also wrong. So option C is correct. Okay, so you have to remember this order. Okay, then if the absolute temperature became 4 times, then root mean square speed is, what is the formula for root mean square? Which is equal to, then what is the root mean square? Then 3 RT by M, where R is the gas constant, then M is the molar mass. Here then root mean square speed is proportional to Vt. Here T is 4 times. Then T root of then 4 times, then we have to cancel then 2 times. Okay, so which one is 2 times? So option B is correct. Okay, so the root mean square speed became 2 times. So this is one of the problem. Then calculate root mean square speed of oxygen gas at temperature கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. So these are all the constant time. R is the which one is gas constant, then M is the molar mass kurta touch. Okay, then we have to solve. So what are the given? Then temperature T is equal to 300 Kelvin, then R is the gas constant, it is a constant term. Sometimes கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்க, நாம தான் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். மேக்ஸிமம் கொடுப்பாங்க. Then 3.14 joule mole inverse Kelvin inverse, then M is the molar mass. then 32 into 10 power minus 3 kilogram per mole. What is the formula we have to use? What is the formula? Then root mean square, then root of 3 RT by m. So then 3 into, then we have to calculate first numerator, then after getting the result we have to divide by molar mass. But 3 into what is the gas constant R, that should be given gas constant above, then 8.314 into what is the temperature, 300. So we have to multiply everything, we have to get 7482.6. okay, then after that we have to divide by molar mass. Then molar mass divided by then 32, then after we divide 32, then we get the result 233831.25. okay, then after that we have to take the root, then we have to take root this one, then finally we get root mean square speed, then we have to get this result taking a root, then finally we have to get 483.6 meter per second. So which one is correct from the option 4880483, it should be approximately, we have to take it as a 84. So option B is correct. okay, so by knowing this formula, then we can solve this problem. okay, so everything is given in the problem itself. Temperature kuduthanga, then gas constant kuduthanga, then molar gas kuduthanga. Just we know the formula, just we have to substitute what are all the given that, then just multiplication and division and take square root, then we get the result. okay, so you have to confuse those options 480 or 84. so then 483.6 is nearly 484, so we have to choose option B. okay, so then question number 7, the root mean square speed of a gas at 300 Kelvin is 500 meter per second, then find it root mean square speed at 1200 Kelvin. Here we have to take some changes. okay, here then velocity, that should be the root mean speed of a gas at 300 Kelvin. So at 500 meter per second, then temperature T1 is equal to 300 Kelvin. Find it root mean square speed at temperature this one, T2 1200 Kelvin, then we have to find out the V2. okay, what is the formula? Then root mean square speed, then root mean square, which is equal to then root of 3 kt RT by molar mass. okay, root mean square speed is proportional to root T. so நம்மளுக்கு இங்க ரெண்டு தான் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, ஒன்னு speed and temperature. we have to write it as then V2 by V1, then we have to rearrange this one, then T2 by T1. V2 by V1, what is the value for T2? 1200 by what is the T1? 300. then V2 தான் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். what is the value for V1? 500. how many times we have to cancel 300 4 times, root 4, then V2 by 500 into root, so root 4 we have to get 2. then V2 is equal to cross multiplying 2 into 500, then V2 is equal to then 1000 meter per second. which one is correct? Option C is correct. okay, So then temperature T1 and T2 கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, velocity V1 கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, then we have to find out V2, okay, by using this formula, okay. So just we have to remember this one. So most important problems, okay. So question number 8, then which speed is directly related to the average kinetic energy of a gas molecule? What is the average kinetic energy of a gas molecule? Then we know that what is that? What is the kinetic energy? Then 1 by 2 m root mean square. About 1 by 2 m. What is the value for root mean square speed? Then V RMS, which is equal to then 3 RT by m, okay. Yeah, we have to take this one. Then root of that 3 kT by m. About 1 by 2 m. What is the root mean square speed? Then 3 kT by m, then whole square, okay. About then we have to take square root 1 by 2 into square root, okay. So we have to cancel m and we have to 2, then we have to get 3 by 2 kT. About the correct option is B. So the most probable speed. So then which speed is directly related to average kinetic energy of gas molecule? Then most probable speed. So this is important, okay. So for gases at same temperature, the lighter gas has greater root mean square speed, okay, than option B. So already we have to discuss many times in the previous videos. I have to explain why lighter gas molecules have greater root mean square speed, okay. So this is the most important. This also a ratio. Then what is the order? Small, medium and large. So you have to see that small, this one is a larger, upper, then we have to neglect upper here 1 okay. Next time small, next one is then comparing to small, next one is higher, upper 1, upper option B is cancelled, here also 1, then comparing it should be increases, upper idum kediyad, upper 1.1, upper here you have to choose that here இங்கே கம்மியாக இருக்குது, இங்கே அதிகமாக இருக்குது. ஸோ மீடியம், நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் லார்ஜ். அப்போ திஸ் ஆல்சோ ராங், okay. So option A is correct, okay. So you have to remember this one, small, medium, large. So 1 then it should be a compared to 1, it should be a larger 1.128, then compared 1.128 it should be a large 1.225. you have to see 225 128. So option A is correct, okay. You have to memorize this value, okay. So this is the simple one, ஈஸியாக நம்ம ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கலாம். ஸ்மால், மீடியம், லார்ஜ்ன்றது. இல்லைனா இந்த வேல்யூ நீங்கள் மனப்பாடம் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இருக்கும், ஓகே. சம்டைம்ஸ் மறந்துடும். Sometimes there should be a given answer closely, 1.127, 1.126, 1.125. So அந்த டைமில் we have to make some confusion. So அதனால் ஆர்டர் ஞாபகம் வச்சுங்க, ஓகே. ஸ்மால், மீடியம், லார்ஜ். ஸோ இது மாதிரி எந்த ஆப்ஷன் கரெக்டாக இருக்கோ, ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஸ்மாலர், then compared to small it should be a little high value, then medium, then higher value for larger, okay. So இது மாதிரி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா எப்பயுமே மறக்காது, okay. So we meet in the next topic in the next video. Thank you.